happy to receive you guys today. We are in center of Paris in the Strasbourg Saint Denis area, which is in the 10th district of Paris behind me. Today we will be covering a huge street and the area which is, just there for the wholesale market. Here you have wholesale market dedicated to fashion and luxury, where you get lots of good looking clothes at affordable price. Not only wholesalers can buy from here, but also individuals. The retail sale happens. You can buy 2, 3, 4 dresses, up to you, whichever. I would try to take you inside in most of the shops, show you the prices, and show you how amazing the the pieces are, which you don't get anywhere in Paris. And this video was also important for me to make, because lots of tourists, when they're coming to Paris, they're going to all these touristic hyperly popular areas, and they don't get to know about these small boutiques which are hidden in the heart of Paris. So that's why it was important for me. So I hope you will like today's video, and let's go behind me to Strasbourg Saint Denis. Guys, if you're coming by metro, it's Strasbourg Saint Denis Metro on line number 4 and line number 9 of Paris Metro. Right guys, so as you can see right now, I'm standing in front of Arc de Strasbourg Saint Denis. It's a very old monument situated in the center of the district. Behind the arc, you have all the animated area with the restaurants, small boutiques, which is the 10th district of Paris. And here where we are standing is the 2nd district of Paris. So we are very at the junction of these two districts, and we are here on the left, the fashion wholesale market, and I'll be going towards Rue d'Aboukir, which is situated just down the lane over there. So let's go. So guys, right now we are entering one of the boutiques which is called Exhalation. As you can see outside in the vitrine, you have all types of dresses, combinaison as we call it in French, which is very specific to these shops which we find here. We are at Rue d'Aboukir in the 2nd district of Paris. So I really like these designs which you really get in these shops here. You have these frock type dresses, very Queen Elizabeth style dresses, and I'll be taking you inside so that you can see for yourself how interesting the cuts and the falls are. Prices are quite interesting too. Sometimes they're expensive, sometimes they're affordable. You'll be checking it out right now. So you can see the promotion. Ensemble is for 100 euros, robe is the dress 60 euros, pantalon 50 euros, jupe 40, and combinaison 100 euros. So let's go inside guys. I'll give you very quickly an overview of all what you get. As I told you, these are like wholesale shops in Paris which sell to individuals too. So you can buy 1 or 2 dresses according to what you like here. So here you have an ensemble for 250 euros till 400 euros. And how lovely does it look? Look at the coats. So when I'm saying ensemble, it's the skirt with the coat here. So I'll show you. This is a big size though. Later I'm gonna try to do individual. I'm gonna take some dresses out and show you individually how they look. So look at this one here. Look at this ensemble where you have a top, right, and you have a trouser with that, and you have these type of ensembles in different colors. So let me just show you around. So you have a huge collection of dresses and ensemble and trousers, coats, everything in lots of different colors. I really love this one. Later I'm gonna take this out and show you how exactly it is. This is a top which goes with its trouser, and it will be looking like really good in summer season if you wear something like this. And the whole thing is for 120 euros. It's quite nice because something like this outside in Paris boutiques will get somewhere around 400 to 500 euros. And I know it because I've been going out in lots of shopping malls here, and the quality of the cloth and the design you get here. Look at the buttons. So it's a very meticulous work, and the price you're getting it for, it's quite reasonable. So this is Exhalation's showroom in Strasbourg Saint Denis, Rue de Aboukir. And don't hesitate to come inside if you're coming here. Just make sure that these designs, you cannot try them. These are wholesale designs. You can buy them if you want to, one piece or two pieces according to your needs, but you cannot try them. Right. So guys, finally I have taken out all these dresses for you guys. I'm going to be showing all these dresses to you one by one. The dresses, the falls, the colors and the cuts, so that you can get an exact idea about all what you can find in this store. So guys, first thing I have taken out for you is the set of this shorts and the coat. How lovely does this look? You know, it's white in color. You can see how nicely the fall is. Coat open and these shorts like this have a very cool look with some sneakers, and both of them are for 250 euros. So this is really, I think this is a good deal looking at the quality of the cloth. If you go outside in Lacoste or Ralph Lauren, you get such a thing for roughly 300, 400, 500 euros. These lines here. I love the sleeves. I love the skirt. So this is our dress, you know, I'm just saying skirt apart, but this is the dress as you can see. And this type of dresses with collars, you can wear it everywhere. You can even wear it for a board meeting, a formal meeting. You can wear it for an evening, for an afternoon. According to the accessories, you can change it accordingly. Oh, this looks lovely. This piece is for 250 euros. So if you're interested, you can come and buy one of these for you. If I have to buy a suit, you know, I might consider this as well because I really love the bow. I really love this collar here, which is a semicircular collar. I like the puffs. You can see how elegant yet bossy the suit is, and it comes with a blue trouser like this, which you can wear with it. It's really good. This one is on cotton and polyester, and this one is for roughly 280 euros, both of them, the whole set. So guys, after our first stop at Exaltation, so you can see I continue my visit, and these are the wedding gowns, some of the wedding gowns which you can get here. Lovely cocktail dress. This is called Elsa Mode. Lots of cocktail dresses in this shop here. Yeah, there are certain shops which sell shoes and accessories and stuff like that, but I really, you know, force you guys to come here for the dresses. I won't say force, but yeah, urge, encourage. Look at the gowns. These are like cocktail gowns, very colorful ones, and look at the hats as well. And the boutiques are very good looking as well. They are nicely decorated. What do you say? Some shops are owned by Jewish people because this used to be a Jewish area before. And some are now, you know, transferred to Chinese and normal French people. I really like this black dress here. As I've already shown you two of them from inside with the clothes you have here. You have lots of Chinese shops as well.
We are not Chinese shop.
That one there. That one there.
Beautiful shop with very nice collection.
Very nice collection, as she's saying. He's the one who
And
must
we have
be.
many models inside.
Can I go inside very
Please,
quickly?
where
All
you
right.
come from?
From India, but
India.
I live in Paris,
In
so
Paris.
this is a YouTube video. No, because I'm passionate about fashion, so I want tourists to come and discover this part of Paris
Thank you
as
very
well.
much. Welcome, madam. Welcome.
So-
We can help you if you want.
So this
We have things in satin like that. I can help you. Satin near the body like that.
Alright.
After we have also this kind of dress.
So guys, you can see these are like very shimmery dresses. You know, the
We have
glitters. You can
many
wear
colors
them
and we have also prints
for the
like
evening.
that.
All right, I really like. You know, this is one shoulder dress, as you can see. You know.
Very nice. And after we have things like that.
Okay, and
It's our collection we made in India,
All
but
right.
it's our models.
okay, this is the resort collection. I think, guys, how lovely does this look? If you're going to the beach, you can wear one of these. How beautiful, and you will
Or
look
in,
like a
in
prince.
in
You know.
hotel, in nice hotel, very beautiful hotel.
Exactly.
You want
In
to
a
be
5-star.
elegant, on the
This
swimming
will
pool,
really
You
exactly.
can wear this kind of things. After you have also this kind of dress. Is very fashion.
Right, and
Very
this is a
fashion.
backless dress, guys, a pleated backless dress which goes really good with the bows here. You know, you can see the backless there. So look at this one, guys. This is a resort. This is not a resort wear. This is a normal dress with lots of embroidery. I think, you know, must be made by some good designer. And here you have the crystal work, the colorful crystal work. So most of the dresses here you will find in the range of 150 to 350 euros.
Exactly.
But it's worth coming and having a look.
This kind of dress also is very fashion now.
Yeah, exactly. As I was telling you, most
And
of
you
these
have also-
suppliers,
you
they
have many
sell to big
colors
brands.
And
So
many different design of the paillettes.
exactly. So as she mentioned, one of the big brands. So I'm sure these big brands outsource here in Paris, because upstairs in most of the buildings you have the supply section where they manufacture the dresses. All right. Okay. This looks really pretty.
And also, I have also this kind
I can see something.
you know, all the underwear.
Right.
That
These
you
are
need for-
transparent ones.
Yes, you need for the dresses, you know. We have, and also all the accessories.
You have all the accessories here as well in
Accessories
the
for bags and things for hair and decoration.
Exactly. So you
You
have the
see?
clips, you have the hairpins, you have small hats, you know, the elegant type caps, and here you have a
Can
crown.
show you. You can wear like that.
So all the accessories, in fact, which goes with the dresses to make it more elegant. You have purses there as well. So it's really worth coming to come and have a look,
I remember you the name of my shop,
right?
Moda Chélie,
All right. So she's
Moda
promoting
Chélie.
Moda Shelley.
107
You can see 107 Rue
Rue
d'Aboukir
d'Aboukir
in Paris,
in
second.
Paris 2nd.
Right. Now you will not forget this, guys. I'm just gonna put it on my video and I hope all of you like it. I'm just taking her
And
card.
if you come and you remember me, you come from.
From me, I'm Plutus9, my video.
I will give you a gift.
You guys will get a gift if you're coming to this shop, which is called Moda Shelley.
And my name is Vivi.
Her name is Vivi.
Very
All right.
easy to
And
remember.
Vivi, what type of gift the clients can expect from you? Some reduction.
Nice gift from something like
All
that.
right,
From
okay. So guys, if you're coming and if you end up buying one of these stuff, she will give you one of the gifts here. From either you can take a pen or a bag, whatever, or depending on how much you're spending, of course. Right? That's really nice of her. I'm gonna continue my visit, and don't forget this shop. Really, it's something really elegant and which really excites most of the people, you know. Look at this one, and you can get it shortened. There are tailors who are here in the market which can you
and
know,
we have all the sizes.
they have all the
From
sizes.
small,
All right.
and we have also big sizes.
All right, okay. So you can find your sizes as well, small, medium or large, whatever,
and bigger.
and bigger
and
as
very,
well.
very bigger. No problem. We have many models in big size. I don't know in India, but until 48,
Until 48.
even also
Right.
50.
Okay, all
But
right.
very nice things and many different models.
All right, okay, great. Guys, for me, the whole objective of me doing this video is that most of the tourists, they don't know about this place, and through my video I would like to, share my information, the knowledge I have about fashion and about Paris, and help you discover more hidden places like these in Paris. What do you think about this lovely dress? We are at Corézy, and I really love this dress, the golden one with one shoulder. Oh my god, imagine wearing this for one of your parties. This looks really exclusive to me, this gown here. You want me to go inside? Let me just try. So guys, right now I'm inside the showroom Corézy, as I was just showing you from outside. I really like the dresses, so let me show you what all you can get here. So guys, you can try the dresses if you're coming here, contrary to some of the boutiques which we saw before. So look at these wedding dresses here, how awesome they are. Right now I won't be able to take out all the dresses, but you can have an impression of how lovely they are. I really love this one. This doesn't look like something which we normally get in the boutiques, It has a very unique and a different style to it. So guys, right now we are inside this lovely boutique of showing you from outside, and this is the dress which stopped me from going any further. This dress is for 690 euros, as you can see, 690 euros. But I love the color, I love the shimmering part here, the crystals, and what I love the most is this cut here. You have a big huge cut in this dress which goes till here, which you can see here, and this dress, once you wear it, it will look something like this. How wonderful is that? Imagine yourself in this dress. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these dresses, you can always get in touch with me through my YouTube or through my Instagram, Plutus9 Paris. This is a very good black dress here in Corézy, and this one is for 450 euros. This is, you don't have any arms in this one, and it has a neck here, as you can see, and it's a knee-length dress. How elegant. Right guys, so right now I'm entering one of the showrooms at Rue d'Aboukir, which I love, which is called Écaille. Écaille is, the scales of the fish. So you can see the dresses, how elegant these dresses are. As I was telling you, that these are like wholesale outlets where you can buy in large quantities, but they sell to individual customers as well. So you can very well come here and buy 2-3 of dresses, whatever you feel like. And one more very important thing, as I was covering before, the other showroom where you can't try the dresses here in Écaille, you can try these dresses. So that is something really important. Before paying, you can try these dresses. And just to show you very quickly how the showroom is, I'm going to show you some of the combinations, some of the sets, and these are the dresses I have taken out, which I'll be showing you one by one with their prices and their design. Right now we just had someone who wanted this one. This is for roughly 250. If you are situated anywhere in the world and you want to buy this in wholesale, you have to buy minimum of 10-15 pieces, and the rates goes down by 20%. And I can help you coordinate with these people here, with the shopkeepers, so that they can manufacture the goods and send it to you. They supply everywhere in the world. Guys, I hope you loved my today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Do leave comments in the comment section. Let me know what you liked, what else do you want me to cover, and how I can improve my videos. And last but not the least, as I told you that I'm into reselling of products of dresses from Paris. If in case you liked any of the dresses, you want it to be shipped it to your country, do get in touch with me through my Instagram page, Blue+9 Paris. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be healthy till my next video. Take care and keep smiling. Bye from here, Paris, Blue+9 Jyoti.